All right, guys, welcome back. It is Wednesday, December 11th. I got my light up here. I got my camera going, and I just started, and I got me a ride. This one's $14. It is 10 minutes one way and 12 minutes another. So anyways, I'm on the way to go pick them up. Let's go. I'm only working half the day today, so maybe till about 12 or 1. And let's see how much we can get, all right? Because I am working a full-time job. But if I quit that job and work this full-time, boy. All right, guys, I'll update you and let you know. Let's go. All right, so we're close to pick them up. Once we do pick them up, and then we're getting close to where we're going to drop them off, we're going to be on the lookout. Right now, it's 7 o'clock, so it's a little bit busier. Once you pick it up, or once you drop them off, you may get one. So be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for those good ones, all right? All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and that one did pay me $14.63, and I'm picking up another one. This one is paying me $14 and getting me like 10 minutes to pick them up, but 20 minutes to drop them off. So it's a little bit longer, but it's taking me to the island, Galveston Island, and we'll see what we pick up from over there. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I just finished that one right there, and puts me at $28, and it's $8.15, about an hour. So not too bad. Let's keep on going. We need some bigger ones. All right, guys, I'll update you and let you know. Look at where we're at, man. It's beautiful out here. All right, guys, I got to the island, picked up or dropped off, made 28 bucks, or combined those two trips this morning, and I picked up one that's is $34. It's an hour drive. All right, guys, I'll update you and let you know. Let's go. I'm sorry, that was $37 it's picking up. But all right, guys, I'll update you and let you know. Let's go once we're completed. So looks like 7 minutes to pick them up. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and that one paid me $37. It is $9.43 and made 66 so far. Let's go. I'm waiting for another one. I'll update you. All right, guys, I got me one more. This one's paying me $9 and about 15 minutes to drop them off. Let's go. Keep on raising that money up. All right, guys, that looks like that's going to be it. It's about 11:30. Made $75, 4 trips, 4 hours. Came up to what, like $18, $19 an hour? Man, for an hour, I didn't do anything. So that just kind of shows, man, that hour, I could have picked up a couple that weren't that great and still made more. But note to self. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, let's go. Back at it. So it is Thursday, the 12th, and it is 3:43. So let's just say 4 o'clock. All right, so let's see what we got going on. Let's just click on them so that I won't see any new ones. All right. So all right, so let's see what we got. So it's about let's just say 4 o'clock right now. Let's try to pick up some good ones. All right, for a few hours before we head to the house. I just finished my full-time job, and I'm back at it. You know what? Let's do it. All right, guys. I'll update you. All right. All right, let's go. I picked up another one. This one's $23, and it is 25 minutes out. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that one paid me $28. Let's go. Then I got me another one. This one is paying me $13, and it's a 25-minute trip total. All right, I'll update you. All right, guys, this is my last one right here. This one's paying me $6. Going my route, it's gonna put me at $60 for the few hours that I did it. So I did 3 rides. I'll have 4 rides. and 60 bucks. And it's about 6:30 right now. So it's my last one, and over and out.